Today I'm going to do just a quick tutorial to show you how to measure on a PDF that's drawn to scale. So when I do landscape design plans or schematic design for people, I send them a PDF with a graphical scale at the bottom that they can use to measure off any dimension in the plan that they need to measure off. I will also tick some of the things that are the basic measurements like pathways and stuff so you have a rough guide, but you could measure anything if you open it up in Adobe PDF and measure to scale. It has to be drawn this way and intentionally scaled this way when it's exported to PDF, but once it's in there, here's how you do it. I am here in Adobe Acrobat. I have my PDF open. Again, this is drawn at 1/4 inch equals 1 foot. But if you go over here on your tool panel and go to Measure Objects and Measure Tool, you can go down to this graphical scale in the corner that I've drawn and pull it across, put the line there, and you will see a measurement. Because I have it set, this is 20 feet. So this is 0 to 20, and I have measured it in here at 20 feet. So now I know that I have set the scale and can measure anything in here. And that is showing that's 4 feet and 4.8 feet. I'm used to drawing in architectural units with imperial measurements, but this uses decimals. So you can measure any of these lines in here. I can say, how much edging do I need? You know, along this line, it'll give you the right measurement, but it doesn't start out that way. You have to change the scale ratio. So the way you do that, after you draw your line, you right click it. Okay, this is what you need. Change scale ratio and precision. So you need to know what scale it was drawn at. In this case, I did 1/4 inch to 1 foot. That's how my drawing was generated when I made the PDF. So whoever's providing your drawing should tell you what they drew it at. So I needed to put in 0.25 inches equals 1 foot. And that is gonna mean everything I measure off here is gonna tell me the right thing. You can double check that. That's why the graphical scale is put in here, because when I measure the line, it should tell me this is 20 feet, not some random number, because I have it marked. When it's drawn and measured correctly, it should be 20 feet to go this known distance. I hope that helps. I know this is kind of a strange way to explain it by looking at the screen this way, but if you have questions, let me know.